I'm going to show how to use Claude to connect to database and query data from database using plain English language, not SQL language. In order to get started, you need to install Claude on your environment. Let's go here and download based on your operating system. To pick one and click on Get Started. And then you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. This is the Claude developed by Anthropic, just in case you didn't aware. And when you go with the free, you can chat with it for a specific amount of token per day, not unlimited. So I don't know if during my demo I will reach to the limit or not. This is my Claude here. You can ask anything, just like you chat with ChatGPT or Gemini, right? But this demo is about integration using MCP database server to query the data from database. Share quickly how to set up the integration. Here from Claude, if you go to settings, go to developer, and here the config is right here. So MCP server will enable the connection from here to the target database server. So there are different MCP servers. So let's go here and open the config file. And here, right here, is empty, nothing here, right? So we need to put the connection right here. I use the execute automation repo here. And here we have MCP database server right here. So just go ahead, click on this one. And this is open source here. You can use the connection from here. Direct users config. It depends on what database you have, SQL-like, SQL Server, Postgre, or you can read the documentation right here, right? Just get started and getting started, and right here there is connection strings here. In my case, for this demo, I don't have any local database on my machine. I go ahead and register a new account on Supabase. And this is, I can have a free account where I created a database in PostgreSQL. So I have a database here. I will go ahead and copy the connection for PostgreSQL. But to make it fast, I just go ahead and I prepare right here. I just copy it over here. Let me explain about these connection strings. So these are the information from here. Once I set it up, I have the connect right here, right? And I use transaction pooler. Here I have the host name, I have the port, database name, user, and pool mode, and of course the password. So I put everything here. I will change the password after the demo, so no worries about that. And once I have this, save it, and now I go back here. I will give it a restart, right? I just need to quick and open it again. So now let me go to settings one more time. Now I have it running. This looks good. So this means I was able to connect to my database using the MCP database server. So if I go here in the search and tool, I see here I got a connection here, and there are 10 tools here. This is the tools, or these are the commands that I can use, but I don't have to write this command, right? Because Anthropic developed this Claude where we can use natural English to communicate with this application. So what we have here, we download the Claude, we set up a free account, we configure the MCP server, and we get the MCP server connection set up from here, and the connection strings we get it from here. So yeah, so now we're ready to use this core stuff, how to query. So now let's give it a context before we ask the question related to database. So in my database, how many tables do I have? Let's take a look here how many tables I have. So this is my database. I have 4 tables over here, right? So let's see how it goes over here. Yeah, it's tell me that I have 4 tables. Okay. So let's take a look here. I have a list of products here. I will ask the question about products. So show me the product which price is less than $10. Give me the view in tabular mode. Take a quick look here. I have 2 products less than $10. Let's see how it goes over here. Okay, now it's got some error here, and then it's figure out the product price rather than the price, right? Because right here I have product price, so it was able to identify 2 products for me. Great. So now let's take a look at other tables. User and country. So I have the country and the language code and the user here with the language code. So I will ask the question, give me all users speaking Portuguese language. Is going to the user table and the language table. So let's see. So it figure out the language code is PT, and it based on the language code to figure out the user. So now it's show me the users speaking the Portuguese language, and there are 2 users from the country code PT and BR, right? Yeah, that's how it works. And you can also write the data into this this table or create a new table here as well. That's it for today, and I hope you guys find something useful, and it is going to be the future of our work day in, day out. We connect to database and we query, we get information, and this is a new way to interact with database. So thank you for watching, and I will catch up with you guys in the next video. Bye now.